I had visited the Bailkope settlement, interacted with the settlement officer there. I had the opportunity to contribute in at least a little way to the people to share their thoughts and develop and work for their commitment. And here again in this district as the Deputy Commissioner, again I have got this opportunity to coexist and work for the community. Today on his birthday, it is important for all of us to remember and reiterate all his thoughts and contributions to the society. His Holiness has not only been a spiritual guide for the Tibetan people, but also as a global messenger of non-violence, harmony and kindness. His teachings remind us that the values of humanity, kindness and empathy is very important and that we share all of it together and coexist. The Tibetan settlement here in Mundugod, the mini Tibet of South India, is a shining example of culture, faith and community spirit. The district administration deeply admires how the settlement has preserved the rich heritage of the Tibetan tradition while also contributing meaningfully to the society and economy of Uttara Kannada and to Karnataka at large. I wish to place my appreciation for the settlement officer for all the efforts in education, agriculture, handicraft, monastic learnings and as well as community welfare in large. Today I am very happy to share that today marks 1 year of my service in Uttara Kannada. 1 year before, on the same day I joined here as the Deputy Commissioner. And I am very happy that I am sharing this day with all of you here. It is a very beautiful district. We have a large coastline, 160 kilometers long coastline. We have 12 taluks. We share a lush green forest. 80% of the district is forest. We have India's largest naval base, Asia's largest naval base here in Karwar. We have a nuclear power plant in Karwar. We have 6 to 7 dams which generate power for the entire country here in Karwar. So it is a very beautiful district. We should all be very happy and fortunate that we are here and we are sharing this land. I would like to assure to the settlement officer and to all of you present here that the district administration will stand by all of you in whatever endeavors that you do. Be it education, be it your cultural heritage, be it your community, your social development, be it anything that you do, the district administration will always stand by you. Any issues with respect to infrastructure, road, electricity, water connectivity, if anything is there, please let us know and we'll be ready to support. And I was just speaking with MLA sir and sir was telling me that the infrastructure here, the education system here, the culture, the hospital, the medical facilities, everything has been wonderfully maintained and all credits to the settlement officer and all the officials who are present here. I once again convey my heartfelt birthday wishes to His Holiness the Dalai Lama and let us all pray for his long life and health. And as it is written here, the best gift anybody can give him on his birthday is that we all do some kind work to the society and let us all pray that God give us the opportunity to do some good work for the society. Thank you.